One thing with the tomatoes, they are very, very delicate. It's a very delicate plant, but at the same time, it's tiresome. But this is a shortcut. Let me say the easiest way to plant or to grow this kind of vegetable. Yeah, this is how it looks. So, 2 months old, beautiful people. So this one, after 1 month, I will be harvesting. Seeds or seedling or this kind of type of tomato is known as Zara F1. Only 1 month old. These ones here, you can see they have already started putting some flowers. Greenhouse investment. This is the way to go.